One trade. Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Haste. Hello my good people, welcome again to day 4 of our $50 to $10,000 account fee. But before we jump into the analysis, I go by the name Dinox Unji Khalifa, Tamara Margovi Kashame Kozunia Pandating Chief Inspector Browd. Haste! What's up, baby? It's gonna be hotter than lava because yeah, to the moon, baby. So we say that we had a potential in a card JPY, yeah. So what is the chart doing here? So I had to let us look from the weekly first so that you can see what the market is doing. So from the weekly basics of it, you can see we are in a clear area of that is a resistance ceiling. Once the price has reached that area there, it always reverses from that area, and then we have had a clear resistance. You've seen how we have this equal levels there. That is a resistance zone, yeah, and that is a strong area from a weekly time frame of it all. So when we zoom down to the 1 hour, we can see how now we have from the 1 hour we waited until we reached there. So once we have reached here, we reached here correctly, and then we were waiting for a retest of that zone so that we can be interested to ride this price all the way to the next area of interest. And then when we zoom into the 4 hours, we can see already the market is moving, my people. Yeah, the market is already moving, my people. Yeah, so we have this the EMA up there, so meaning now we have this shift of structure from now a bullish market to a bearish market. So that one we will see it clearly in a 1 hour, whereby you can see now how we had a clear reversal M pattern there, and then the neck of that M pattern was broken. Now we have this the lower lows, lower high, and then a lower low there. So we are waiting for this price to continue pushing down. So I think we'll not waste much time. We'll just enter this market. We are going to enter that market, and then and then we come and look for take profits and stop losses. So today we are going to do, remember how we only target 20 pips stop loss, and how we target 50 pips take profit. So we are going to sell. We are already in the trade, my people, and then now let us look for how we are going to take it here. So already let me now take the entry from this place, and then we can do our adjustments here. So our take profit is 110, our entry, and 832. Now from it, let us come here, and then we move down to the we only just use this area. So we are going to sell from this place. So we are going to let us put it from the 30 minutes. Yeah, so there you can see clearly. We say we are almost entering the market from this place there, using that candlestick there. Yes, so it is as simple as that. We have already entered the market. Now we look for a 20 pip stop loss. A 20 pip stop loss. Hope it will be above that. It will be above this the lower high there. Yeah. So from our area of entry, let us measure. First, before we measure that, let me set this thing with the correct entry price so that it can guide me correctly. So the entry price was 82. Yeah, that was the entry price. Yeah, and then okay. Yeah, That was the entry price. Oh my god, so we are in deep losses as we are talking now. Yeah. Yeah, let me confirm. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, but it is a pre-London, my people. Yeah, no risk, no gain anyway. So that is our area where we want to enter this market from. So from that area we'll be measuring a 20 pip stop loss. So let us bring our ruler, and this we are only going to risk, what is it called, $40, so that we can double it. We are giving these trades enough room to breathe. Yeah, so our 20 pip stop loss, hope it will be above that area there. So yeah, so our 20 pip stop loss is there exactly. So our stop loss is at 111.030. yeah, that is where we have our stop loss. And then from that area where do we have our take profit? Let us measure a 50. Yeah, because once it is in line with the market structure, we are going to only be interested with I've removed it again. I don't know. Let me add it again. We set it, and then one trade, one shot. We leave everything else to the markets to do its thing. So 50. Okay, let us zoom into the 1 hour so that you can get that clear. Can get it clear from that area. So our 50. Okay, let me adjust. So our 50 is somewhere. Our 50 is there. Yeah, let us do it 51 so that it cannot bring us inconvenience like the last one. Yeah, so this is our stop loss, and then our TP is at 001.320. You guys will remember how I gave you this entry yesterday. So let me set it now. Guys, this is how you're going to do your risk management. Yeah, so the entry price, we have it as recorded below, and then our take profit. Oh, that was our entry price. Oh no, this is now our take profit. Our take profit, we have said it is 320, and then our stop loss, we have said it will be, our SL is going to be 0.03. yeah, as simple as that. Now we have it like that. Yeah. No, I think we have shifted this stop loss to our area of to our entry. Yeah, so the stop loss is supposed to be, let me set it correctly. So the stop loss, where is it? Stop loss level, this is the stop loss level. We say that is the entry, so the stop loss level is the 0. Okay, I messed up. So 0, 1, 1, then point 0. Yes, now it is correct, I guess. Now that is it. Yeah. Yes, now everything now is correctly now, as simple as that. So as simple as that. Now I'm going to already we have entered the trade pre-London, and we are in some losses there. Yes, but then we have a breathing room allowance, so everything else is under control. So I'm going to send it to the Heistmasters community I usually like entering these trades earlier so that when we have volume kicking in during the London, we can be already find our place in the market so that we can only be interested in riding the prices down. Yeah, so I told them we're going to look for a clear entry. Yesterday I gave this one and I said this will be a potential trade for tomorrow. So this is CAD JPY, and then we give them my entry. My entry is at 1110.832. that is my entry. My TP is at 110.320, and then my SL is at 111.0. As simple as that. And then all the best traders. We now leave the market to do its thing. Hashtag one trade, one shot. Now I have finished with them. As simple as that. Yeah, so it is as simple as that. So we have those reactions from that area. Now let us go to the 30 minutes. From the 30 minutes we can see, of course, we have that pullback. So we will be waiting for the London to push this price downwards. Yeah, I think maybe I rushed for this trade, but then it is what it is. We are already in the trade. Yeah, so everything is set. Yeah, so I think we could wait until this price bounces up to that the neck to this where our area of interest, so that we can take it from there. But then we had analyzed it all the way from yesterday, so that is why I had to take it like immediately as I have taken it now. So let us now go to the charts. So our sell is right there. So we are going to update this the take profit and the stop loss. So we modify the trade. So our stop loss is at 111. We are going to risk $40 in this trade. 111.0, and then our take profit is at 110.320. Manabades Global Punditing. One trade, one shot. So this is our one trade, one shot is at for now. And we flipped the 50 to 50. Now our balance at 100. Now we gonna flip this 100 to 200. This is day 4 of our challenge, my people. Yeah, not looking good as that now, but then from this MT5 you can see how we have a clear M pattern here. We have facing a lot of rejections. We have not broken above that area, and the candlesticks have not been able to close outside there, meaning we have a clear reversal. Yeah, when we go to the weekly, from the weekly you can see that is an area of a clear resistance from that area there. And then we had that roof with equal high, with the equal bulling power. and then we had an equal selling power at that point there, so we are going to take advantage of that. Yeah, so to the daily we can see we have that small rejection there, but then we still have room. Our take profit, our stop loss now is in the area of interest there. Yeah, hope the price will not get up to that area there. Yeah, so everything else we leave it to the market to do its thing. On a Baddest Global, I'll update you after some time. Panditing, peace out. Hello my good people, so this is during the New York session. I think this market has consolidated for quite some time because it has not been moving for quite a long time. It is pretty much where I just entered the market. Yeah, you can see how we took the market at that in the morning there. And then the good thing about this trade, I'm liking how it reacted from that area of interest. You can see how our resistance ceiling has been rejected to perfection, and that was an ideal place where I initially wanted to take that trade from. So right now the market, right now we are in a dollar profit. So the aim of that account is to take that 100, now that $50, now that 100 to 200. You know, our aim is always to flip that to make a double of the previous. Yeah, so I'm going just to leave it to get to the take profit of the stop loss. Yeah, and now that is how you're going to do it. Hashtag one trader, one shot. You have given this trade a shot, now rate it roll, my people. So that is all for today. And then for the other trades, yeah, for the other trades, yeah, I think this one will be interested with it once it gets the resistance ceiling up there, so that we can ride it all the way down. Yeah, so this week I'm dealing with the selling positions, and then now we'll get the other buying orders. Now this is the trade that our first account flipped from the $50. You can see how we exited perfectly from that area, and now we have a pullback into that area. If we had continued holding it too much to this zone here, we could now be into losses. So what we'll be waiting for is a clear break and a retest of this zone, and then a shift of a structure from the previous lower low, so that we can be able, or we can be interested to ride the price all the way down. And then I think the AUD USD does the same thing as this EU. Yeah, so we had this Euro USD. We were also interested in taking this trade, but then I'm liking how it has gotten to the area of interest. We clearly wanted it to break and retest the zone so that we can have that clear entry in this trade. But then yeah, we wait for a clear shift of structure, yeah, and then we'll be able to take that trade, or maybe a change of character for that matter. So that is it all for today. And then I have all these other pairs that I'll be interested in. Remember, tomorrow is on a Friday, and then we have a lot of news coming, so that is why I never wanted to participate in these pairs with a dollar, because we have more of the NFP news coming. Yeah, so this is how the account is looking for now. Yeah, so we'll just leave it to do its thing. We are $1 in profit, so hopefully we'll meet on Friday for more updates. So remember, if you want to catch all these trades that I usually give, or this signal that I gave you, remember how yesterday I clearly gave you this trade on a card JPY. Yeah, I usually post all these videos in 4:30 as premiere. Yeah, so if you are part of the premiere gang, after you have watched that premiere, go to the charts, do set the zones as I have told you, as I have done everything, and then set alarms. Once the price reaches to that area, you also know that I'm going to take it, and then you've seen how clearly my risk management is. Yeah, I have a clear risk management of whereby I only risk $20 as my risk is only $20, and then how my take profit is 50 pips in profit. I don't do more than that. I don't exaggerate. Yeah, and now these are the market fluctuations. That is why I've decided to update it right now, because it is a trade that will take quite a long time, yeah, before it ends. That is why I'm not happy about it, how it is really consolidating at this place of entry. Yeah, and our stop loss is clearly above that the resistance ceiling, so it is a good setup. So we are going to risk only the $40, yeah, for this market. And then now let us go to the 30 minutes, whereby I can, now you can see how we clearly have this lower lows, lower highs, and our stop loss is above the previous the lower high there. So it is after now we have broken above it. Now it will be a change of structure. Now then we get to our stop loss, and then we call it a day because we could have now lose $40. Now the account will be in what? In $60. But then when we get to the take profit, you are always going to bank this money, my people. Yeah, because we are the Heistmasters. Yeah, my people. Yeah, now the market is going to do its thing. It is going to trick you. It is in profit, another time it is in losses. That is why I've given it an allowance. You see how we have this all the room here. So all the night, all those, hope it will just drop and drop and drop to the Heist take profit, so that the Heist master in the Heist study room can catch these moves and make some moolah, my people. Yeah, so that is it all for today's updates. Today the market has been slow as I don't know what, but it is what it is. So my people, it is a wrap for today. Yeah, so peace out.